Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Hemingway Editor for readability improvements, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hemingwayapp.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the option to sign up for the Hemingway Editor. Click on the sign up or login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. You will be redirected to a login page. If you are new to Hemingway Editor, look for an option that says Create an account or Sign up. Click on that option to proceed. Fill in the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your email address and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password for added security. After you complete the form, look for a button that says Sign up or Create account. Click that button to submit your registration. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Check your email for any confirmation links from Hemingway Editor. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the confirmation link provided. This will verify your account and direct you back to the Hemingway Editor site. Return to the website and log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, you will be taken to your Hemingway Editor dashboard. Here, you can start using the tools available for readability improvements. You can either upload a document or start typing directly into the editor. Explore the features to enhance your writing. Focus on suggestions for readability, sentence structure, and adverbs. Take your time to adapt and implement the feedback. Using Hemingway Editor can significantly improve the clarity of your writing. Regular practice will help develop your skills further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.